Good morning, friends. In this CSS tutorial series, we are learning very important topics of CSS and different properties and how to use it in website to design the web layout. In this tutorial, we'll learn a very important property of CSS called overflow. Overflow means if any content goes beyond the specified container, then it is called overflow. Here I have written an HTML code with div class text, some text, and another div class image with an image. Let's open it in the live server and see. This is the haphazard condition of the image and text. Now we know how to contain it. Let's define the body family. Actually, it is no need. You can do it or not. We have defined the font family. Now, if we use div tag float left, see the first text. Now see, it clears the left side and the image is set in the left side. So since both image and text are inside the div tag, so div float left margin. If we comment out, let's see the difference. See, image and text are in the same column. Now if we remove the and use float left margin 25 pixel, so there is some margin, and image and text are aligned horizontally. Now if we use width of the text, since it is div class text, we can use div dot or simply dot text, width 300 pixel, height 300 pixel. Now if you use a border, let's see the difference. It will create a border of 300 pixel height, 300 pixel width. Here comes the overflow. See, the content goes below the border. Now how to contain the content inside the box? Using the overflow hidden. Overflow hidden. But where is the remaining part of the content? Remaining part of the text? To see that, we have to use overflow auto. See, there is a scroll created and we can read all the content inside the box. This box is actually 300 pixel width, 300 pixel height. That's why this box is this size. We can also use overflow scroll. Let's see. Overflow scroll also created the vertical scroll and a horizontal scroll in x-axis, but it is not working for text. Now come to the point, image. Div image with 200 pixel of. Let's remove the opacity. Border, give a border 1 pixel solid red. Now see, there is a border created. We will contain the image inside this box. Since the border inside the image is not visible, let us use opacity. Opacity 0.8. Now the border will be visible. opacity point 5. The opacity 0.8 pixel. So opacity, let's make it 2. Let's see why opacity is not working.
रहना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब
So
करें
if
और
we
बेल आइकन को भी दबाएं जिससे कि आपको मेरे नोटिफिकेशंस मिलते रहें। तो आज मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में,
have
तब तक के
given a
लिए टेक
border,
केयर
3
एंड बाय
pixels
बाय।
solid red. Now see the border. We cannot see the border inside the image. In that case, if we reduce the opacity of the image to 0.7, see the border is visible now. Now we have to contain the image inside the box. How to do that? Using the overflow property. Overflow auto. Let's see image is inside the, for image X scroll and Y scroll both are working. We can use scroll, it will work as same. But if we use hidden, we will just see this part of the image, remaining part will be hidden. So it is always better to use auto or scroll, so that we can scroll up or down and see the whole image. Let's increase the width and height 300 pixel, height 300 pixel, so it will be better since the image size is bigger. Now we can scroll along the x-axis since y-axis all are visible. So this is the property of overflow property we can use in a website, and it is a very important property. We sometimes need to use it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and continue watching.